Welcome to Pullover Adventures. Today I am in Aurora, Texas at the Aurora Cemetery. There are a few things I'd like to check out here. Of course, one is the legend about an alien spacecraft that crashed near here, and they buried the alien here with his own tombstone. The problem is, I believe that tombstone has been stolen. Some of the earliest known graves here date back as far as the early 1860s. Some of Confederate soldiers. And I'm also looking for an infant by the name of Nellie Burris. She passed away in 1893. It appears her tombstone has some notoriety here. In 1891, hundreds of graves were added to the cemetery due to the fact that an epidemic had hit the community. It was called spotted fever by the settlers. The disease, I believe, now may be referred to as meningitis. For several years, the grounds here, or the cemetery, was known as the Masonic Cemetery, just because walking around you can see several Masonic interments and the Masonic symbols on the tombstones. So far, it's a very old cemetery, very beautiful headstones, a lot of stories to be told here. Well, I believe I found where the pilot to the alien spacecraft may be buried, judging by the decorations on this rock. Since the original tombstone has been taken, It looks like a makeshift one's been made. Apologize about the gunfire, but we are in Texas. Well, it looks like I located the interment of Nellie Burris. There she is right there. I'll have to post what her epitaph actually says. It's kind of hard to make out. What are you doing?